business and I use Google Ads to collect the details of my own leads. Now what I want is that whenever I receive a new lead from Google Ads, I want to create or update a new contact in GoHighLevel related to same, so that we can nurture these leads further and try converting them into customers. So to do this, I have created this amazing automation, and in this video I'll show you how you can also build this. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to automatically add leads to GoHighLevel. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free into your GoHighLevel, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can also use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. The discount coupon code is RITYT. Make sure to use it in the uppercase format only. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. So let's search for Google Ads right over here, and then we have to select Google Ads as our trigger application. And yes, as you can see, the same is selected. For the event, select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now you're going to receive this web URL, so just copy this and open your Google Ads campaign. So in this campaign, you have to add a lead form. Alright, so in order to add the lead form, just go on the see more lead form and add the lead form. In this lead form, make sure to collect all the details of your lead, and then you're going to see the option right over here where it is asking me to add the web URL. I'll show you where. You just have to scroll this, and in the end you're going to see the option of lead delivery. Open this. For the webhook URL it is asking, so just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, enter a test key right over here and click on the send test data. It is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow, and as you can see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. Be it phone number, be it company name, be it first name, last name, or the email address, but these are the test details. You have two options. First option is click on this recapture webhook response and then wait until you receive a real lead in real time. The second option is build this automation using the test lead details only, and it is going to run perfectly fine for a real leads too. Now you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for GoHighLevel, but in order to connect GoHighLevel with Pabbly Connect, you have to search for lead connector V2. So search for lead connector right over here, and as you can see, lead connector V1 and V2, so select lead connector V2. For the event, select create or update contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and make sure that your GoHighLevel account is logged in before starting with the automation. And now click on this connect with lead connector V2. After you click on this connect with lead connector V2, it is going to ask you for some permissions, but make sure that your GoHighLevel account is logged in. Otherwise, first it is going to ask you to log in, and as you can see now it is asking me for some permissions, so you have to give Pabbly all the permissions and click on this next. Now you have to select the account name for which you want to give all the permissions. Make sure to not select the agency, select an account. So I'm going to select my account right over here. Once we're going to select the account, our GoHighLevel account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter these details in order to create a new contact, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, what you have to do is you have to put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. And after you map the details, it will appear something like this. So I'm going to map the details details which are required right over here. So as you can see, I've mapped the name, phone number and email. If you want, you can definitely map more details. I'm going to map this much details, move on further. It's asking for many details. So if you wish, you can definitely map it and click on this save and send test request. Once you click on the save and send test request, you're going to see we have received this response which says that yes, we have created a new contact. So let's open our GoHighLevel, and now from the left hand of the side, let's go towards this contact section. And once we're on this contact section, we have to wait till it is updating the list, and you're going to see all the contacts right over here, and this is the contact which is added. As you can see, first name, last name, phone and the email address, the details of the lead are added right over here. Not only this, but now what is going to happen is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from this Google Ads, automatically a new contact will be created, or if the contact already exists, it will be updated in my GoHighLevel. I don't have to come back in again to my workflow to click on save and send test requests. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. My team is definitely going to help you out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, don't forget that the discount coupon code and the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.